cook one of my special delicacy in the house, stew and rice. But before I start, this is the local salt. For me, it's the best. And I've put in a little bit of salt into the vegetable just to wash them. This is my vegetable, the tomatoes, the onion, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Now, I'm about to grind my pepper. This is my garlic. Now I have to cut the garlic to the pepper. This is my onion. I'm adding a little bit of onion to it. This is the onion, to the pepper, and to the garlic. I'm grinding the onion with the pepper and the garlic just to get that little bit of flavor. So I'm in the process. This one, it's called GERANO'S Recipe. As you can see, I'm adding a foam visa. In the English way, you people call it the black pepper. I'm adding a little bit to it to get that flavor. And this is another one too. It's called the visa. I'm adding on so that I'll get that flavor in my GERANO'S recipe. Then I'm adding another spice to it. We call it the inkete. Maybe the white man, they call it the small smoke. I'm adding it. That one gives you more flavor. So I'm using the goat meat, and I'm using another mackerel to it. Then I'm using fire roasted tomatoes to it with my tomatoes and onion. I'm cutting the tomatoes. Putting my goat meat for steaming into the silver. This is my goat meat. Adding it to the silver. And from there, I'll be adding my blended pepper and spices to the meat. adding everything to it, so that the meat will get the taste, feel the taste of the pepper and the spices where everything comes in. Then I'll wash it a little bit of water. Washing everything a little bit to get the flavor in there. See, when you are cooking and you get the flavor and the spice and the pepper, the garlic and everything on your meat, you will love to enjoy it. I have to wash these two. Okay, everything is done. Then stir a little bit. Stir a little bit. Add a little bit of salt. Just add a little bit of salt. Then I cover all that to it. I wait for another 5 more minutes for my meat. Then everything will be alright. Just some minutes more. Now I'm adding my oil, cooking oil. Adding my oil. I'm adding my roasted tomatoes to it. This is my roasted tomatoes. This is my roasted tomato. Then from there, I'm adding my tomatoes, my raw tomatoes, and the onion. Everything to it. Then I'm going to stir it. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to stir it and leave it for some 10-15 minutes. I'm going to put my enampa mackerel inside. So you're going to see the last action of GERANO'S recipe. This is the last recipe. As you can see, everything to squash. So this is my stew, GERANO'S recipe. Yes. I'm going to put my enampa mackerel inside. So you're going to see the last action of GERANO'S recipe. This is the last recipe. As you can see, everything you have to squash. So this is my stew. GERANO'S recipe. Yes. We finished the stew. Now I'm about to come and cook the rice. That's the stew. GERANO'S recipe. Yummy, 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 yummy. Ta-da!